Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video on the channel. As always, thank you very much for joining me. Before we begin, we did want to make you aware we are now partnered with WEEX, offering a really good deposit bonus and also a very nice rebate when you trade. So do go down below in the description and get involved with that. You can sign up down there and get some great bonuses for getting involved with them. They're a great exchange, so make sure you go and check them out. So we're just taking a quick look at Verasity then, if I can find my chart, for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, getting a little bit of a pickup off the lows over the past few days, as you can see here. Bitcoin doing its best to chop the market to death as usual, as I always say. You can see Bitcoin yesterday looking very good, to be honest, in terms of pushing up back through some of these big gaps that we were stuck under last week. You can see these fair value gaps here that we were stuck under in terms of price. We have got through two of the major ones. We're stuck currently at the final gap up here, as you can see, getting a bit of a retrace from that today. Bitcoin looking like it's pretty much fully recovered last week's dip to the downside. As you can see, if we look, here's Monday, so we've fully already by Tuesday of this week recovered the dip for Bitcoin from last week. But as you can see, if we look at Verasity, still a bit of a ways to go here to get back up to these highs, and as you can see, it has retraced quite heavily because Bitcoin has been having a retracement as well. You can see here Bitcoin is doing its absolute best, as I always say, to chop the altcoin market to pieces. Obviously, when Bitcoin does a lot of this kind of price action sideways, altcoins tend to do this, which is pretty much what's happening for Verasity over the past few months. Really, you can see chopping to down and sideways really, whereas Bitcoin has really just been going sideways like this. Altcoins always end up bleeding when Bitcoin is chopping around in this manner, and you can see here Verasity right now very much looking like it's had a very nice pickup off the lows. We've come down into this big area of demand, pretty much getting down towards the bottom of this range here, getting a nice little pickup, obviously coming back and tapping into this big daily fair value gap here and getting a rejection in a similar way to what Bitcoin's doing right now in this big daily fair value gap here and getting a rejection as well. So we'll have to see whether or not Bitcoin can overcome this obstacle and this hurdle here. I think Bitcoin's going to be fine going forward, and I think the altcoin space is going to get its time in the sun eventually. But right now, Bitcoin just basically chopping the market up, currently recovering, but our altcoins, as you can see across the market here, lagging behind in a big way compared to Bitcoin's recovery so far over the past few days. Two big green candles for Bitcoin over the past few days. Verasity here with some decent red candles, but decent green candles, but a big red candle today. So we'll have to see if Bitcoin allows the whole space to actually get that relief that we are looking for in the markets. As always, thank you very much for watching, guys. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers, and make sure to sign up to MXC down below.